On June 18, Jamaica experienced a magnitude 4 plus. This earthquake, according to the earthquake unit of Jamaica, was located southwest of Christiana. When we plotted the location on Google Maps, Google Earth, we see where it pinpoints itself somewhat in a valley, and this valley is nearest to the town of Balaclava. In the context of the geology of the area itself, this area can be considered as carbonate with alluvium, and the alluvium pretty much is underlain by the carbonate itself. We can see where, from a geomorphic point of view, there exists plateaus as well as plains. Just to quickly mention, St. Elizabeth, as you know, is considered as the breadbasket of Jamaica. This has a lot to do with the tectonic control in the context of the plains that dominate St. Elizabeth. And these tectonics has to do with earthquakes of the past as well as earthquakes of today. Now, this area particularly is, as said, in a valley, and this area we can see where there are two hills that are separated, and this valley demarcates the fault scarp itself. And we can also see this highlighted as this line that trends northwest. What we can also see on the terrain map are some lines, lineaments of the earthquakes or of previous earthquakes, where we can see them having a northwest, northwest trend. This basically is highlighting two different directions, so to speak, as regards to typical fault movement. Hence, the result where we can have earthquakes. Considerations given the lithology is that with these tectonic movements, we can have alteration of subsurface as well as surface drainage. In other words, water, as where water goes underground and where water surfaces, can be altered. And in the context of, let's just say, agriculture or properties that depend on the springs as a water source, these tectonic activities can result in a change, whether it be a change in the volume or an overall change in terms of where the water moves. Because as regards to carbonates, generally speaking, underground water is a major feature of carbonate area. And parishes such as St. Elizabeth and Manchester are dominantly carbonates. So this will explain why, let's just say, during the dry season, you know, places such as St. Elizabeth can be hard hit.